Tom is a happy cat. He sees a yummy fish. Yum, I like fish, says Tom. He eats all the fish. Then he sees a birthday cake. I don't like cake, says Tom. His mom says, just one bite? Tom takes a bite and smiles. Who is happy? Tom is happy. What does Tom see? He sees a fish. What does Tom say? I like fish. What does Tom do? He eats the fish. What does Tom see next? He sees a cake. Does Tom like cake? No, he doesn't. What does his mom say? Just one bite? What does Tom do at the end? He takes a bite and smiles. Happy. Tom is a happy cat. Cat. The cat is on the bed. Fish. I see a fish on the plate. Like. I like apples. Eat. I eat lunch with Mom. Cake. The cake is big and pink. Bite. Tom takes a small bite. Smile. I smile at my friend.